Here we have Harry's shaving cream and the shaver in Teleplay. And let's let it spin some more so that you see the full effect. There's a powerful liquidy water horse running right next to it. Okay, maybe that's one more time. Okay, that's just an idea I had. You don't need the water horse. I think it looks pretty cool as is without the water horse, but if you can have it, why not? So I made this video for Miguel, who owns That Smooth, and he wanted and Miguel, you wanted a video with a turntable with your products. Right now I just have these Harry's products, which I just got for Target for this demonstration. So yeah, this is one idea for a turntable video for you. I know you just got a turntable. So let's see, I think we can experiment with other liquid type effects for this scene. What if we do liquid waterfall? This is kind of a large file, so let's see. Oh, okay. I think that looks pretty cool too. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's remove it. And when I do this, that means I'm just deleting the file from the app so it doesn't take up too much space. What if we do waterfall 6? Okay, what if it's like, I don't know, what if it's like right here? I don't know, it's kind of doesn't really fit in this scene, so I'm gonna skip this one for now. What if we do stylized liquid stream 3? So I definitely check out the water and liquids foreground category for this particular scene. See, it's still loading. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Like, what if we put it like right above it? Let's let it spin some more so that you see the full effect. Oh, I think maybe this one looks the best because it's kind of like going with the flow of how it's turning, the product is turning, and I actually really like this one. So let me remove this effect. Press that X right there. That was pretty cool. What if we do what if we do maybe liquid come together? Okay, that can work well too, but I was like, I don't know, I was really feeling that stream effect that we just saw. You can also try white liquid. I know that's pretty cool. Maybe soap bubbles. Why not? Because this is a men's bathwear product. Okay, I think this can work well too. These soap bubbles. Again, I think I was really feeling that liquid stream. Okay, so for this part, well, what if we try this one? I don't know. Okay, no, this is not gonna work. Like, it kind of doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I think in this little experiment, I think this one may, sorry. I was downloading way too many files at the same time. So when that happens, okay, then the background I did was called white. And I need to delete some files from this particular iPad so that it doesn't crash like that. These are very memory intensive foreground effects. So now let's go back to white liquid. So let's delete this, delete that, delete that, delete that. Let's go back to the one we liked. Now here it is, stylized liquid stream 3. See, it's downloading right there. Okay. I don't know, I'm really feeling this one. Okay, oh, and then one last thing, you can adjust I always do green SPO suppression. So make sure you have SPO suppression enabled, because otherwise it's like that, you have that ugly green glare. So definitely make sure you have green SPO suppression enabled. And then you can adjust it by this bar right here. I think that looks good. Okay, let's let it play some more. Ah, okay, I really like this one. Okay, let me know what you think, Migo.